Electrician pay in Burundi is worth a closer look. The average salary of an electrician in Burundi is $380 a year. That average electrician pay drops to $320 after tax, which leaves a take-home pay of roughly $27 a month. While national average electrician income stays low, wages in major urban centers are noticeably higher. So an electrician's salary in Bujumbura can bring home $380 after tax from a gross of $440. Even though pay outside Bujumbura is lower, cheaper living costs outside the city often balance out that difference. Starting out, your electrician wages will sit below the national average, but your income goes up as you gain practical skills during your first few years. After that early rise, earnings tend to plateau unless you move into higher roles like a site supervisor or a master technician. Holding a university degree is not usually required for basic trade work, but having higher education helps you step up into these supervisory positions. On top of that, pay varies depending on who hires you. Small local shops pay a fraction of what large national firms offer, while international companies pay substantially higher wages than local employers.